Welcome to Arber, where it's our mission to help you grow a better world. Today, we'll be digging in on our organic all-purpose fertilizer. Stay tuned to learn more. Our organic all-purpose fertilizer is the ultimate solution formulated to feed plants and condition soil all year round for greener leaves and bigger blooms. Our proprietary Biochar and fertilizer blend releases nutrients quickly while holding excess nutrients in place to feed plants for several months. Our blend of Biochar, Compost, Chicken Manure and Dolomite feeds plants and conditions soil year-round, promoting greener leaves and bigger blooms. Biochar brings physical and permanent change to your soil by improving structure, aeration, water holding capacity, and nutrient retention. Biochar also helps lock carbon and nutrients into the ground while allowing plants to uptake the nutrients when needed. This key ingredient provides a positive impact for your soil, your plant, and the planet. Compost returns organic matter and nutrients to the soil in a form that's readily usable to plants. The compost increases plant rooting depth and improves plant growth and health. And the additional ingredients, Chicken Manure and Dolomite, help to balance soil pH and release nutrients quickly for fast results. Our organic all-purpose fertilizer can be used across all of your green spaces, like your houseplants, flowers and foliage, potted plants, trees and shrubs, and your seedlings. For new plants, simply mix the specified amount into the potting mix for potted plants or mix directly on the top soil for houseplants and in-ground plants. Water thoroughly each use. For ongoing care, sprinkle evenly around the surface of the plant and water thoroughly. For best results, apply once a month. Thanks for digging in on our organic all-purpose fertilizer with us. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy growing!